Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by clearing minimal barriers so action is immediate. Close apps and silence notifications. Place your phone out of reach. Once done, pick one 25-minute task and set a visible timer. Prepare water, a pen, and a notebook so you won't interrupt flow. You do this to lower activation energy. Short wins build momentum. Make sure to commit to starting now. Don't overplan. This first step creates a clearest path from intention to doing, and it makes inertia manageable. You move into repetition to transform action into habit. After each 25-minute session, take a 5-minute break and give yourself a small reward. This conditions persistence. Link tasks to existing routines. Attach a 10-minute learning block to your morning coffee, for instance. Once you have 3 rituals spaced through the day, keep a 1-line log to measure streaks and adjust durations. Make sure to increase effort gradually. Fatigue is normal, so plan lighter days, but never skip the ritual entirely. You wrap up by reviewing and locking in progress. At week's end, check a single checklist: what you completed, what blocked you, and one tweak for next week. If you hit a wall, reduce the task to 1/2 and begin again. Shrinking scope beats stopping. Once you regain motion, rebuild time and complexity slowly. Make sure to celebrate 3 consecutive days of consistency. That reward anchors identity. Troubleshooting tip: when motivation fails, return immediately to the 25-minute rule and the smallest possible step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.